What's up everyone? These past few days have been massive for AI, and Google just dropped something incredible. Veo 2 and Imagen 3, their latest AI video and image generation tools. Let's dive into these amazing AI tools that are now available to use. Let's start with Veo 2, and wow, this is a game changer. In head-to-head comparisons with other leading models, human raters consistently ranked Veo 2 as state-of-the-art. Here's a side-by-side video comparison between OpenAI Sora and Veo 2. Here's another. I'm planning a detailed comparison video between Veo 2, Sora, and Minimax to show you exactly how these AI powerhouses measure up against each other. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss this upcoming in-depth analysis. Let's talk about the quality of Veo 2. We're looking at incredibly high-quality videos that can go up to 4K resolution and can be extended to minutes in length. The real magic of Veo 2 lies in its deep understanding of cinematography. With Veo 2, you can simply ask for any genre you have in mind, specify the exact type of lens you want to use, or add stunning cinematic effects to your creation. Imagine telling it to use an 18mm lens and it'll automatically craft that perfect wide-angle shot the lens is famous for. Or add shallow depth of field to your prompt and watch as it creates beautiful background blur while keeping your subject in sharp focus. What's really impressive is its understanding of real-world physics and human movement. The capabilities of Veo 2 are truly remarkable. You can create a cinematic shot of a scientist in a hazmat suit where the camera slowly zooms in on their worried expression, capturing every detail of emotion under harsh fluorescent lighting. Or generate a beautiful tracking shot through rows of beehives with golden afternoon light and buzzing honeybees, all shot with perfect Kodak Portra 400 film aesthetics. It can even handle complex scenes like a low-angle shot of pink flamingos in a tranquil lagoon, perfectly capturing the reflections in the crystal-clear turquoise water. The model's versatility doesn't stop there. It can create charming animated characters, like an adorable cartoon girl with wavy brown hair sitting in a 1980s kitchen, or capture stunning slow-motion food cinematography of syrup cascading over fluffy pancakes. It even masters abstract concepts, like a rotating cube showcasing different hyper-real textures in a foggy void. Now, here's how you can get your hands on Veo 2. Google's taking a measured approach to rolling this out through their Google Labs VideoFX platform. Just head over to Google Labs and sign up for the waitlist. And I've got some exciting news for content creators. Google plans to expand Veo 2 to YouTube Shorts and other products next year. Google's taking safety seriously with this release, which I really appreciate. Every video comes with an invisible Synth ID watermark to identify it as AI generated. This helps prevent misinformation and ensures proper attribution, which is crucial as AI-generated content becomes more prevalent. Now, let's talk about Imagen 3 because this upgrade is equally impressive. The improvements are substantial and the results speak for themselves. Imagen 3 takes image generation to new heights with its ability to create brighter, better composed images. It masterfully handles everything from photorealistic scenes to impressionist artwork, from abstract compositions to anime-style illustrations. The model's enhanced ability to follow prompts faithfully means what you imagine is exactly what you'll get, complete with richer details and textures that bring your ideas to life. When put to the test, Imagen 3 truly shines. In side-by-side comparisons judged by human raters against other leading image generation models, it achieved state-of-the-art results. The improvements in composition and style diversity are immediately noticeable in every generated image. The really exciting news? Starting today, Imagen 3 is rolling out globally through ImageFX. Available in more than 100 countries. You can head straight to ImageFX and start creating right now. No waitlist, no delays, just pure creative potential at your fingertips. That's all for today, folks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.